Ladies and gentlemen, today we're gonna turn Jingle Balls, bells, into a certified banger. As you may know, or maybe you don't know, it's almost Christmas and we have to honor this time by creating some sick tunes. So I have downloaded this version of Jingle Bells rock.
Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Jingle bells swing and jingle bells ring.
It has such a sick vibe, it has such a sick rhythm. I have already an idea of what we could do about it. And we're gonna create something heavy, we're gonna create something banging. First of all, we're gonna add some drums.
Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock.
Now we gotta design some crazy laser. So we can do this in a few different ways. We can even take this song, do something like this. Add disperser. Not only one, but add a few of them. Disperse all of the frequencies. Especially here. Okay, this many is gonna be enough. That's cool. OTT. Maybe add another one. A little bit. Add EQ. For now without the bass, because we're gonna add a manual bass. Add some soothe, because as you can see there's a lot of resonances. Smooth them out. That's nice. Then add pitch map. F, pentatonic minor. And we can now look for different pieces. Now let's add a separate sub, Chef Special. All you gotta do is to layer that. We can also go to scale here, F, pentatonic minor. Since this is mono, we gotta make that white with a D doubler. Put soothe at the end, I guess. Yes. Oh, I made this sick rack recently. It's bananas. Automation toolkit. It has all the necessary different parameters that you usually use when doing automations, like gain, panning, stereo width, low passes, filtering, reverb, and pitch shifting. This is so good because you have all of these things in one place. So we're gonna, for example, add reverb right here. And also I just need a reverb to be on this. Then I can go into, for example, filter and maybe add some sweeps. And we can add here laser. We're doing this space right here with the filter. We can add reverb in that place. That's already so much movement. Let's see what's gonna happen if I do this. So that should be before the pitch map. Okay, that's becoming very cute, which is kind of cool, but that was not my intention. Dun, dun. We can add the same here. Dun, dun. We can add some movement in pitch here too. Okay, that sounds cool. What if I do this actually? That sounds good. I'm having deja vu. Oh, what the hell is happening? I've been already doing this track. I remember this. What's happening? And I'm gonna wow. Yeah, that's nice. Bear with me, please. This is gonna turn into something good. We have to beef this sound a little bit. Ruina, this has that nice doom effect. So that it's kind of beefier on the lows. Okay, since we have a lot of automations right here and a lot of processing, what we can do now is we can take all of these and we can swipe through them and look for some better pieces. Oh, that sounds cool.
Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock.
Put the motherfucker here. Add transit on these. And go from top to the bottom. I think I should go duplicate this to not tease too much. The signature sweep. Hey. So we need to make the base for this. So take the whole processing, put it on the base here. Get rid of this, get rid of this, get rid of this, get rid of this. And now we open some Serum. We gotta add some bass presets. So here we have this vocally kind of body to the sound. So we have to isolate this. It's around here. So 800. So we gotta go into this bass, put EQ on it, and cut the 800. Now it's clashing. Now it's still clashing. And now it's space for vocals. We cut more frequencies that are annoying. Since this bass has a clear high end, it has a very clear high end, unlike this one, which has a very dirty high end. We can tame the high end right here in this sound and leave in this one. We're not losing much, but we're gaining clarity. So this bass is nice, but we need to add to it some like vocally movement. Here maybe we could put thermal. This is squashing the sound very harshly. It also smoothens it, so if we introduce just a little bit, it makes the whole sound just right. We need to EQ these frequencies out. So there's like a little bit of movement there, but not much. Here, like that, that's nice. I'm gonna add millimeters, and people are gonna be like, oh, what's this thing that you're using in the video as a audio waveform stereo spectralizer? Oh, it's millimeters, it's millimeters, it's millimeters. Oh, what is this called? You never say on the video. We add ARPs. That sounds nice. Oh, it sounds like someone's clearing their nose. Portify. Oh. Oh, that sounds bananas. Here we add analog lab. Fade it out. Like so, and then this is gonna fade in, but using the transit. Put that here, but I am gonna maybe use some arpeggio. Maybe da 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 da. Oh, that sounds amazing. Never. Oh, this is like one sample, so we have to make sure that it is bananas. So we have to add EQ, we have to add a little bit of limiting mid-side. Yeah. And now we can add ozone and add only maximizer. If we go now into resampling, this is gonna look bananas. And it sounds amazing because it looks amazing. The snare has to go about this one. Oh, that sounds nice. Add reverb onto this and then do this. Oh, hell yes, it's bigger, just as I like. Add some volume automation. Filter the drums out. So now, pick a preset. Add the respace. add a sweep here. Add claps. Glowing and glowing, that pussy is fine. What the hell? Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go on to all these layers, mute pitch map, like so, and I'm gonna take the pitch map, put it onto the whole group, put that outside the group, and put the arps outside the group too. That sounds amazing. What the hell? If I use it inside of those, yeah, that's worse than this. So now we need to fill these gaps somehow. I'm just gonna duplicate it, put this here. Let's see if we can find a bit of the sound that will fit in this place. Well, that's nice. Oh, I'm gonna add this here too. How about this? Yeah. This amount. Yes. Go for this amount. No. That pussy is fine, man. When a song goes, you know it's a good song. Put it at the beginning and put this here. Let's see how that's gonna perform. Man, that pussy is fine. Hell yeah. We can add some clock ticking. I do have a clock ticking, motherfucker. Clock creator. I'm tired of making clocks again and again. Here we go. Oh, I know what we could do. Some people are gonna be like, bro, of course. Of course you're gonna add this. Tap magical. Hell yes. Oh, hell yes. And then also add this. Oh, hell yeah. The pussy is fine. That's smooth. Yeah, so that we need to duplicate this like so, and some sick riser here. Oh, damn, these are the best swipes you'll ever encounter, man. Super heavy too. FXs, we have this, and this, and this. Rumble. For the second part, I'm gonna add some hi-hat top loops. How about this one? Yeah, this one fits. See that? I think completely change this. Not working really. Okay, now let's layer only this bit. That sounds nice. Oh, it slaps. How do I fit that though? Because it's like playing in the background really. So what I think I could do, take this bloody EQ, put it on this sound first. Literally just cut the main frequencies here and here. It's gonna be something like this. It's gonna be the EQ. I'm gonna take that EQ, put it on the group here, and that's going to make space for this. But now we gotta fade it in because it can't be playing all the time. So we have the gain scale. We can automate it so that it goes, I don't know, maybe 100 already. And then go back here. Oh wait, I thought it worked because it sounded better, but it didn't. It's literally turned off. Like a little bit of a compromise. It's not gonna sound perfect. Oh, haha. That sounds like hey, but that sounds like double hey. Oh, like this. Oh. Oh, it's so good. Impact sweep, the best impact sweep on the whole planet. And do a little bit of in out. Hell yes. Yeah, the vocal is gonna sound the way it sounds. I can't really make much about it. You can hear that that melody, that vocal melody, is kind of playing along with these all resonances. So the vocal ad-lib supporting that, playing an actual instrument, is gonna work very well. There's like a melody layer in this. Dun, 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 dun. Hell yes. Okay, make it wider like this. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we should take a listen. Let's do it. Jingle bells swing and jingle bells ring, snowing and blowing, every city is fine. How was the place of her? Hell yeah, what the hell? Ladies and gentlemen, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Hope you learned something. I would say that this is a classified banger. Classified Christmas banger. As always, check out oversimple.us for high quality samples, presets, and free sounds. The samples that we used in this video were from Polychrome, Colorbase, and Melodic Dubstep Sample Pack from Super Heavy, the ultimate EDM drum toolkit. We have used the one game-changing effect rack that's free, and the Sanchez Legendary Edition, which is also free, but can be updated to Legendary. Have a great day, Merry Christmas, and see you soon.